Welcome back guys to another episode of Xperts Studio. In this video I am going to show you the entire tutorial of the mystery boxes which are available on the gate.io exchange, and I will also share the news that how you will be eligible for these mystery boxes and you'll have the chance to win up to $500 mystery boxes via gate.io. So if you want to know the entire procedure of these mystery boxes, stay tuned with us. Feel uninvited. So guys, I already made number of videos about the gate.io exchange, its major features like copy trading and also about the futures trading on the gate.io exchange. But right now, if you want to grab these mystery boxes, first of all you'll have to sign up on the gate.io exchange. Secondly, you'll have to complete your KYC up to tier 2, and the third major step is then you'll have to deposit some amount of USDT or BNB in your account. After completing all these steps, first of all sign up, secondly you have to complete your KYC up to tier 2, the third one is then you have to deposit some amount of USDT or BNB. So guys, the next major step is that you have to complete some trades of GRV token, Grove token, which is right now available on the gate.io exchange in the spot trading section. Now you have to purchase at least GRV token with amount of around $20 and maximum up to $200. Then you will be eligible for these mystery boxes. Now I will show you something important, that how you can do all these steps. So first of all you have to sign up, as I told you, new users, and even if you are the old user, just complete your KYC up to level 2 and then go for the trading for the GRV and USDT pair with minimum $20 or maximum with $200. Then you will get these mystery boxes. So guys, here comes the major steps for grabbing these mystery boxes. First of all you have to sign up, but already if you have the account on the gate.io exchange, you just have to complete your KYC up to level 2 and then you'll have the chance to grab the first mystery box if you are going to trade with minimum $20 in GRV and USDT pair, or with the maximum number of $200. Here you can see for the first mystery box you'll have to trade with minimum $20 in GRV and USDT pair, but for the second one, the second task, then you'll have to trade with minimum $200 in GRV and USDT pair. And also you'll have the chance to invite some new friends. Copy and share your referral link to new friends. When your invitee signs up via your referral link with KYC 2 verification and completes the task 1, by the end of each round both you and your invitee will get one mystery box. So that is the great thing. So I will show you some major thing. First of all, I will share the link of this article in the comment section, and also I will share my own referral link in the comment section. So kindly, if you don't have the account on the gate.io exchange, kindly create your account with my referral link, so I will also get something, because right now there are number of altcoins are available on the gate.io exchange, and at this time they are giving you some free mystery boxes. Only you'll have to trade in the GRV USDT token pair and then you will be eligible for these mystery boxes. So after clicking on this option, join now option, then the new pop-up will open same like this, where you will also get some major things, your own referral link which you can share with your friends. Here you can see, and right now I am going to click on this option. Here you can see invite now option, and here comes your referral link. So simply you can copy your referral link and you can share this referral link with some of your friends, and if your friends are going to sign up with your referral link and if they are going to complete the task number 1, like they are going to complete their KYC up to tier 2, and if they are going to trade in the GRV token, then you will be eligible for these mystery boxes. So it is such a great thing, and at this time when the entire market is going down, so if you are going to grab at least $200 or $500, so that will be the great thing. You will have the chance to do something more with those items, with those money. So when your invitee signs up via your referral link with KYC 2 verification and completes the task 2, by the end of each round both you and your invitee will get another one mystery box respectively. The more friends you invite, the more boxes you will receive. So it is a very simple item. First of all, you have to sign up, then you have to complete your KYC up to level 2, then you have to deposit some amount in Gate.io exchange, then you have to trade in GRV USDT pair with minimum $20 or maximum with the number of $200. Then you will be eligible for these mystery boxes, and at the end you can simply share your referral link with some of your friends, and if your friends are going to do same things step by step, so you will also get one more mystery box. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and very soon I'm going to share some more videos about Gate.io exchange, that how you can trade in futures and also how you can trade spot in Gate.io exchange. Thanks a lot.